this is Greg from Trading College with your free market update. So yesterday in the live trading room we sent out an alert, as you can see here, around 9:30 in the morning, focusing on the dollar CAD, where we were looking for a momentum trigger strategy on the 60-minute time frame. So let's go and have a look and see what we were looking at in that specific trade. So if we look at the daily time frame, we can see that we have red pro trading system and we are below moving averages, which means that we can move down to the next moving averages. That will be the major support area. We can also see that we have had momentum switching from pointing up to pointing down, so momentum is in our favor on this time frame as well. So all that we were looking for is for the continuation further in the bigger time frame direction. If we look at, so now 9:25, we were roughly around these areas here. So this is what we would have seen at that point in time. So that is 10 o'clock. So we can see that we are below, starting to move below moving averages. We are already on the pro trading system red. We are starting to see lower highs, lower lows. Now we want to wait for our strategy to set up, to give us the signal to go short. So now we wait and we see as time progresses, that candlestick right there is our short signal. We can see we are below moving averages. We have the daily in our favor and we have moving averages above price on this 1 hour time frame. So all we need to do is just trade in that direction, and as we can see, lovely trade to the downside. We can see that down to the bottom area it's around 50 pip move down, and because of the divergence being signaled here on our storyteller indicator, it also shows us that this move could come down and finish and then start pushing higher. So we would be trailing our stop close if we would see this type of signal as price continues down. So really nice trade, easy to take, really no-brainer really. So lovely trade. If you would like to learn more on how we use this type of strategy and using that in conjunction with our pro trading system, then we have a course coming up. So if you go to tradingcollege.co.uk, you hover over the courses tab and you click on learn to trade live, then it will redirect you to the learn to trade live page. If you scroll down to the bottom, you will see that the next one is going to be the 15th of June, which is going to be in Sheffield. We start at 9:30 in the morning and we go through to 5 p.m. in the afternoon. And we will require a £50 deposit, but if you stay towards the end of the day and finish the course, then we will refund you that £50 the following week, which means it is completely free of charge. On that day, we will discuss all things trading, so it's focused on beginners to intermediate level. So we'll talk about primary, secondary income, tax-free profits if you're a resident in the UK, if you want to spread bet the markets, talking about brokerages. And then we delve into the strategies where we focus on the morning move strategy, where we aim to make our day's money before other people go to work or before yourself go to work. Sometimes people are still in a full-time job and they want to make some money before they start their day, and that is absolutely possible with this strategy that we have. The next one is going to be the momentum trigger, which was shown in this video, where we aim to make big trades, spot potential big trades, so between 100 and 1,000 pips. As you can see, that was around a 50 pip trade. It's currently seeing retracement, but it can still continue down on the daily time frame, so this could become a much bigger trade if the retracement is not that deep. So we will have a look and see, but we'll talk about this strategy as well. Then the trend predictor, which is a favorite with a lot of students, and the pro trading system, which is our flagship swing trading system. And as you can see, you can use the pro trading system in conjunction with some of these other strategies that we have for day trading as well, and they work really, really well in conjunction with each other. It's also CPD accredited, so if you require your CPD certificate, we'll be more than happy to provide you with that. So just a friendly reminder, 15th of June, we are going to be in Sheffield. If you can't make that, we'll be back in London on the 13th of July. So really I hope to see you there. It's always great to meet new people, new traders, and also if we've met over the phone but we haven't met in person, it's always great to put a face to a name. So really look forward to this course and event, and I would really love to see you there. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll speak again later. Bye.